Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Tanya Aneja, and this is a brand new episode of Technical Gupshup, a show where we'll discuss the technical market outlook, key levels to watch out for, and 5 technical stock ideas that you can bet on at this point in time. Well, markets started the month of March on a positive note. Things are looking super strong on Friday. We are holding on to the gain, and it seems bulls are back in action. Adani, of course, continues to be the biggest story. Now, GQG Partners, a US-based boutique investment firm, actually bought shares worth 15,446 crore rupees in Adani Group firms like Adani Ports, Adani Green Energy, Adani Transmission, and Adani Enterprises through block deals. So, where are the markets headed going forward, and where are the pockets of strength? To discuss this and much more, let's welcome our guest on the show today. We have with us Mr. Chandan Taparia. He's the head of technical and derivatives research at Motilal Oswal. Thank you so much, Mr. Taparia, for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today Television.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So we are doing pretty well on Friday, I would say, and of course tracking positive cues from the global peers. All the sectors of Nifty are actually trading higher in today's trading session. So what are the key levels one should watch out for, especially at this point in time?
Yeah, so if you look at the market sentiment, the Friday is comparatively better and bulls are totally rewarding well on this Friday. The good part is that recently, just 4 days back, we made the low near to 17,250, slightly gone below the budget day low and then
Right.
recovered well. So technically, we are getting some sign of bullish divergence and early sign of the bottom formations. I believe that now the recent bottom is going to work well and market has potential to once bounce to our 17,777 level. So I
Okay.
think 17,350 could act as a support. Those who are
Okay.
holding the positions can keep the support near to 17,350, and this rally can extend to 17,777 to 17,850 on the hard side.
Okay. Okay, so these are the levels one should watch out for. And also, Mr. Taparia, Nifty Bank is playing splendid innings, I would say. It has crossed 40,800 odd mark. So, your thoughts on entire banking pack and especially PSU banks?
Yeah, so banking stocks are doing well. Bank Nifty already bottomed out 6 7 days back, and the good part is in the recent up move, the Bank Nifty failed to surpass budget day low, but at the same time respected well to the budget day low. On the
Yep.
budget day, it made low near to 39,400 zone, and recently it made bottom near to 39,600, and after that, supports are gradually shifting higher. So Bank Nifty, one of the strongest setup and one of the strongest index here. I believe with support of 40,750, this rally can extend to 41,500 to 41,750 kind of level. So Bank Nifty, which is comparatively outperforming the broader market, even if look at this week, your Nifty is up by around 0.6%, while the Bank Nifty are up by more than 3.3%. So this
Right.
outperformance could continue, and some more short covering could cheer the sentiment and straight to the next couple of hours as well. So more bullish stance in the Bank Nifty. Any small dip could be the buying opportunity for the rally towards 41,750.
Okay, absolutely. And now, also coming to metal pack, so metal stocks which have been on a declining trend for, I would say, for the past 3 months, are seeing a rebound on lower Chinese production and better domestic prospects. So, what are your thoughts on Nifty Metal Index? And Nifty Metal Index is actually down over 19% in the past 3 months. So, do you think now is the time to step in?
Yeah, so we have seen correction in Nifty Metal by 16 18% in last 3 months. The
Right.
immediate trend, which was negative, it was making lower top, lower bottom, but some sort of stability is clearly visible. If I look at the weekly chart of the Nifty Metal, we are getting a sign of the piercing bottom formation, which indicates that support based buying is clearly visible. So yes, some recovery should be there in the metal in line with the broader market. And if you look at the entire technical setup, then Jindal still is one of the strongest counter in this space,
Okay.
which corrects legs and recover fast. Even recently taken support near to 545 zone, and now the support shift higher to 570. So we believe that
Okay.
with support of 570, Jindal still has potential to rally to a 600 to 610 units.
Okay, so you can keep an eye out on Jindal Steel. And apart from these sectors, are there any other sectors on your list and any other themes that are looking attractive, especially at this point in time?
Yeah, so the banking index are likely to be the bull's favorite,
Okay.
and really it is in a commanding position. So really momentum could be there. Apart from that, I think selective capital goods stock could be in focus, whether we talk about L&T or we can talk about the name from ABB and other. So capital goods could be in focus. Today, the good part is the across broad-based rally is visible in the market. So short covering is also visible in the beaten down name. But yes, banking could be preferred. Some buying interest could be there in cement name. You talked
Okay.
about few in earlier names. So SBI is likely to be our favorite pick with support of 542. This stock has potential to rally towards 570. So again and again, I'm talking about PSU and some power and energy stock could be in focus. So in power and energy, you can talk about PFC, REC, and few other name which could be in focus in this market rate.
Okay, so capital goods, cement space, power and energy space. These are the themes you can watch out for. And also now let's come to the 5 top technical stock ideas. So which are the top 5 technical stock picks that you are betting on today?
Yeah, so again, cannot ignore the banks. So on my hierarchy and on priority, the banks could be the radar. As
Okay.
Bank Nifty is comparative doing well. So first trade, I'll focus on State Bank of India.
Okay.
SBI is mentioned that one can buy with support of 542. Stock can rally towards 575, 585. So first
Okay.
trade will be your State Bank of India. Very positive price formation is visible. Second, I'll talk about REC PFC. So if I talk about REC, that is the Rural Electrification Limited. So REC has seen the rounding formations trading at 118, can buy with support of 114, rally towards 125 can be seen in the counter. SBI, REC, PFC, we can talk. Apart from that, I can focus on private bank. So in private bank, ICICI Bank will be on focus. ICICI Bank has surpassed its falling supply trend line. So with support of 855, one can see the movement towards 900 level. So that is the third trade. I can focus on the power name, and power grid will be the uh, pick after RAC. So one can buy with support of 218. This stock can rally to us 240. I think these are the couple of names one can focus. SBI, ICICI Bank, REC, Power Grid, and one should continue to be on the bullish side in these names.
Absolutely. So these are the technical picks that are coming in from Mr. Taparia. And on that wonderful note, thank you so much, Mr. Taparia, for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today Television. So with that, let's wrap up this edition of Technical Gupshup. Many thanks for tuning in.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.